Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Best Buy Worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we have a number of problems, and in each problem we're given a particular brand of a product, and then it might come in 2, 3 or 4 different sizes, and we're asked to find out which is the better value for money, or which is the best buy or the best value. Now there's some simple calculations required, and if we do that carefully, this is a very good way to save money, because then we can choose which product to buy or which amount to buy. And if you're not sure how to proceed, on the next slide there's a link. Click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. Let's have a look now what's required on this particular worksheet. Solve each of the following problems. Number 1. One particular brand of tea comes in 2 different sizes. 2 kilogram costs $7.60. 3 kilogram costs $10.50. Which amount offers the better value for money? Number 2. 3 kilograms of coffee costs $12.90. 4 kilograms of coffee costs $16.40. Which is the better value? Number 3. 2 kilograms of sugar costs $12.10. 3 kilograms of sugar costs $18. 4 kilograms of sugar costs $24.40. Which is the best value? And finally, 2 kilograms of salt costs $2.10. 3 kilograms of salt costs $3.45. 4 kilograms of salt cost $4. And 5 kilograms of salt cost $6. Which is the best value? So this video has given us a simple worksheet where we are presented with different products, and there are different sizes for each of these products, and we're asked to find the best value for each of the products. So we just have to do a simple calculation, and if we do the calculation correctly, that saves us money because we can buy the correct amount. And finally, on the next slide there is a link. If you need help, click on the link. It will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of the examples.